Welcome back to the DIY Nanny channel. Let's just jump right into it. This is a video for Valentine's Day. And again, I was inspired by a kitchen towel. That happens more than I like to admit, but look at this. Isn't it adorable? When I saw it, I immediately thought I can make an play kitchen oven mitts for Matt, which I usually make for the holidays. But this time, I was thinking we can give it as a gift. We have this BFF of the little one that comes, and she loves playing in our play kitchen. She loves all the food that I make there, and she always wants to take some home. So I thought it would be cool to make a BFF Valentine's Day gift. I already was pressured to promise the little guy that everything I'll make for her, I'll make for him as well. But thankfully, this is a really big one, so I can get a lot out of it. I'm gonna start with the oven mitts. I'm not sure I'm gonna make like a square or a circle. If I have time, maybe, but I think just one oven mitt for each will be great, and we'll take it from there. So I'm done with sewing the first part. I did the lines here. I used a different IKEA towel for the inside, and I sew it together. And now I'm gonna close the opening here with bias tape. I'm gonna use the red from this packet I have. And for the loop, I'm actually gonna use this ribbon. Because I want to make a loop and then on top of it a little bow, so I want them to match the loop and the bow. It kind of similar, the red, so it's fine. I did it for a gift for Christmas for a friend, and it came out so cute, so I thought, why not? So let's go and do that. So I'm done with the two oven mitts, and look at this cute bows here. And now I'm moving on to make something yummy. So when I saw this pattern, I thought that I can actually make these cookies from felt, just hard cookies, and that will be part of our gift. So I have some felt here for dough, and I have some red and white felt for the filling and the topping. I have these two that are glittery that I'm gonna use, and maybe I'm gonna use some pink as well. I already have everything on my design space. I created a design for it, and all I have left now is to cut it and sew it. I'm gonna do the inside and the topping in my sewing machine, but to connect the two parts of the cookies together with a little filling inside, I'm gonna sew it by hand with this blanket stitch, because I kind of want it to look like when you press on cookie dough with a fork to close it. So I think that will give it this effect. So let's continue. So these are the bottoms, and all the tops are ready for the sewing machine. Okay, I'm done with the cookies. They look super cute. I am gonna add some fabric paint. I have this red, white, and I have a neon pink and purple. I'm gonna choose between these two. I'm kind of trying to create some of the patterns on the towel. Maybe the XOXO, maybe the red hearts on top of the white. Looks cute. But before I start on this, I know I said I'm just gonna make the oven mitts for each child. I usually make a square or an oval one time to add to it. And I said I'm just gonna do this. But then while I was sewing the cookies, I was thinking how cool would be to have a heart shape piece to add to it. So I already started on it. I cut heart shapes from the leftover towel. I already sewn together the two pieces with those diagonal lines, and all I have left now is to add the bias tape around and then use the ribbon for the loop and the little bow.